Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will see how to grow a plant from a seed. For that you need one basket or pot. If you have such kind of basket that you can use, if you don't have, then you can take this kind of box and fill this with the soil. So I will fill this basket with the soil. Like this, you have to fill this basket with the soil. Some space should be vacant here. This much space should be there. Then you have to keep seeds in this basket. Here I have taken fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed I have taken. If you have any other seeds, that also you can take. Bitter gourd seed or any other seeds like lemon fruit or apple fruit, any seeds you can take. Now you have to spread here in the soil. Then cover this with the soil. Now we have covered almost all the seeds. Make sure that we cannot see any seed on the surface of this. Now pour some water. Then this basket or this box, if you have prepared, that you have to keep in a sunlight every day. Make sure that we have keep seeds inside this soil, right? So this basket you have to keep in a sunlight and every day pour some water and observe it every day. After 2-3 days you will see that seed is trying to come out, seed will grow, and this process it is called seed germination. We can say that a plant is growing from the seed. So this process you will see. So this activity you have to do by your own self, and then observe this after 1 week or 10 days how plant is growing in your basket or in box. That you have to send me pics. Okay, thank you. Hello students, can you see what is this? It is a bitter gourd, right? So if you want to grow a plant of bitter gourd, you can put seeds of bitter gourd in the soil, and then after 2 months you have to wait for 2 months, and after 2 months you will find such kind of bitter gourd on the plant. You can see that here many bitter gourds are there, right? And it is a climber, so it will not stand by on itself, so it needs support. So after growing this plant you have to give some support, as it cannot stand by its own self. Can you see the plant of bitter gourd? So such kind of support or string or any other thing, you have to give them support, and then it will grow like this. Okay. So this way you can grow any other plant and send me the pics of that plant. Thank you.